Today, my emblem just arrived from ICB Motorsports. This is the JDM SIR emblem badge, and we're gonna put this on today. And to know that it's the right one is it fits in the hole perfectly. So I used a tiny screwdriver to pop these off first. Once the plastic clips are installed in the holes, remove the non-stick from the adhesive and install the emblem. So I decided to not go with these fake knockoffs. I did like the black background with this color scheme, but you know, when I looked at the quality, and it just, I wouldn't feel right to have a fake emblem and a real emblem, so I decided to just go all real emblems all the way through. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching.